All right, what's up guys? It's me, Packy, and today we're with the house and we got a bowling dice. So on this dice, we have a bunch of different styles of bowling. We're gonna go 1v1, Madison and myself, 1v1 with the bowling dice. We're gonna roll it once per frame, whatever style that is, we're both gonna have to do for the frame, and we're gonna see after 10 frames who comes out on top. So before we talk too much, let's get right into bowling.
Sick. Hold on.
Ooh!
Hey.
Damn. What? We're back in the game. Do you want me to roll or do you want to roll?
You roll.
Ladies first. Okay, fine. Let's roll again. Ha ha ha.
Huck.
What? It's gonna be wildly embarrassing if I don't strike. Oh my God. That's not a good way to start the video, but I'm used to losing on the channel, so here we go. Ay, ay, ay. Why? Why does that happen to me? That always happens to me. It just happened to me in the playoffs. Why? Boop, boop. Frame 2. Your turn to roll. Two hands again.
Woo!
Oh, that's left.
All right, that's it. I'm going two-handed.
9-pin one more time, I swear to God. Just 9-pin again, please. I haven't warmed up, okay? You got like 4 shots to warm up. I got 0. It's definitely a 1. It's a 1 kind of spare, not a 2. I'm not sweating, you're sweating.
Legs.
In between the legs. This can be granny style or in between the legs. Backwards granny style, not regular granny style?
No, I want to make it exciting. I want to actually give you a chance. Go the opposite way. All right, I'm not going to give you a chance anymore.
Yikes.
Yikes, okay.
It's tough. This just feels like a strike, you know what I'm saying? No!
Yee.
I don't want to talk about it. We need more oil. I need to move more towards the middle of the lane. I should have done that on the first one. As frame champion, I'll roll the dice.
Hey, where did he go? I'm just better at you at 2 hands. Come on.
2 for 2, 2-handed.
Yeah, I am.
Maybe it's time to switch.
I will. All right.
If we just bowled a game 2-handed, I'd lose. I need to capitalize. This is literally my style. Finally got one. I can't get embarrassed the whole time.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
You know, since you've struck like every time 2-handed, there's no way you strike 1-handed. This means it's my time to shine. I told you it was going to happen. Shooter! Do you think I sling it down there with like 2 fingers like this? Or do I hook it? Think I should hook it? What do you think? I think you guys should subscribe to the channel. How about that? Down below, click the link. 2 fingers or hook it though? I don't know. Maybe hook it, I'll hook it.
Whatever gives you the best chance to win.
Call me Tom Doherty. Oh, that's so good. You don't have to call me Tom Doherty. That's an embarrassment to him. I feel like I can still do it. My wrist is like a wet noodle. It needs to be a little stronger.
Excuses are for the weak.
Oh, that's the same thing. I'll take 6. I have a strike. I'll take 6. 6 is good. It's like more than half. I'll let frame champion again. Roll the dice.
Oh, is that like my fourth frame that I've won? Okay.
2 hands again. 1 hand again?
1 hand. I'm gonna strike now.
Okay, good luck.
I don't need it. Maybe I did need a little bit of it.
It's time to make the switch to 2 hands.
I agree.
Chat, let us know. Do you think she should make the switch to 2 hands or stick with the 1? I'm feeling like a 2-handed switch.
I feel like my form is pretty good.
I could coach you up a little bit, but seeing as you beat me every time 2-handed, I don't think you need any coaching up.
My form is definitely better than yours.
Your 2-handed form is sick.
Sick! Hold on.
Ooh!
Hey!
I think I'm gonna change up my strategy. I think I'm just gonna sling it down there as hard as I can, down the middle.
That wasn't...
Ah, that's still 6. Why are you looking at me like that?
That was a horrible shot on your behalf. Down the middle? Where was that?
You think I'm one-handed? I only practice serious, kids. That's why I'm bad at these games.
Okay. Regular?
Regular.
Gives you a chance? I'm gonna talk about the new regular is 2-handed. My new regular is 2-handed.
I'm only down 20. 26. Your new regular is 2-handed, you told me.
I know. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're just trying to give me a chance, is that what it is?
If I make this, what do I get?
What do you get if you make this?
Yeah.
Boba. Some boba tea.
Boba tea.
No! No!
All right, regular. Time to shine. We're back in the game. Only down 20 now. So we just gotta fight back. I got dice in hand. It's time to put my striking shoes on. Regular? Is your regular 2-handed yet, or is it still 1-handed?
I feel like I should play the game correct. Good luck out there.
I need to strike. It's a must-have. Ah! It's like... It's not like I needed it. I needed it. I don't have a spare ball down here either. This is not good. All right, frame champ. Champ.
Champ. Opposite hand?
Lefty, good luck.
I've
It's
watched you
just
so
gotta
many
be-
times, it just has to be okay out there. Why am I, do you see that?
Yeah, you're rosin bagging the right hand. There we go, that's better. You're like... That's not bad, to be honest. Wow, what a bad break. Also the backup ball? What was that?
I don't know. I don't know. Ah, I needed to back up.
You needed a lot of backup. So you're saying there's a chance. Tell me that wasn't a spare. Oh my God, that was a spare. There's still a chance if I spare it. There's still a chance if I spare this, there's still a chance. I need the dice to fall my way. I need to get very lucky. I come up with these and I lose. God, I need that to fall. I need that to fall. Madison told me I won the frame. I needed to win it better than that. Why couldn't I have gone 9-0? Oh, in between the legs.
So what do I need here?
You need a total of 10. But to be honest, we're throwing it in between the legs, so I highly doubt a turkey's coming.
Okay, you said I couldn't switch. So now you're changing the rules?
No, you can do one in between legs backwards, one in between legs
Cheating
forward.
now?
How'd that stay on the lane? Forcing me to double.
Between the legs.
Between legs, granny style.
Maybe if you would have performed better in the previous frames, you wouldn't need the double.
Excuse me, this is a PG channel.
Sorry.
I need a double. Just once, just one double. No!
Uh-oh. Oh. Ouch. It's all right.
It is all right, because I always lose on the channel, so I'm not new to this. Keep it a respectable, like, maybe lose by like 10. That's such Congratulations on your victory.
Thank you.
Anything to say to the people?
Lightweight.
Easy dub. Follow me on my Instagram at
Madison_Janak_bowler.
Yay, yay. All right, guys, well, that was bowling with this bowling dice. I have another bowling dice with a bunch of different types of bowling balls. You guys let me know if you want to see me use that one. But for now, Madison's the champ. I still have a terrible record on the channel of losing, and I lost 142 to 127. I kept it slightly respectable, maybe a little bit. What do you think? No?
Not really.
Okay, yeah, I lost by a lot. A lot of bad frames in there. If I made my spares, unlike what Kevin says when you can't throw 8-baggers, if I made my spares, I would have won. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Subscribe down below. Comment what you guys want to see me do next. And until then, peace!